This is the final boarding call for flight GB 137 to South Africa. Please make your way to gate 7 within the next 5 minutes.
How can I help you? What fun things are there to do in your country? I need the best places to have a barbecue, you know? You've come to the right place, sir. You're at GB Travels. We aim to please. Sit back, relax, and watch this PowerPoint preview about a beautiful country, South Africa.
In Rio de Janeiro, hou die meisies altyd daar nie van. Maar as niemand wat 'n fees kan vier, soos die meisies hier. Al die hande in die lug, al die hande in die lug. Al die meisies klap nou saam, al die meisies klap nou saam. Al die manne staan op terug, al die manne staan op terug. Van die girls is hier, die girls is hier. Daar kom je ref nou. Voetse, rampen met die boot.
Hier kom die Ossie. Kiwis. Engelse. Hanne. Maar waar is die manne?
Hush, my darling, don't fear, my darling, the lion sleeps tonight. Hush, my darling, don't fear, my darling, the lion sleeps tonight.
And one voice singing in the darkness, joining with your one voice, singing so they hear what's on your mind. And when you look around, you'll find you're not alone.
As lekker in Suid-Afrika. Hippie-poera, hippie-poera, as lekker in Suid-Afrika. As lekker in Suid-Afrika.